Do you know what never goes out of fashion? Shaving. I've got to get rid of this monstrosity, but also affordable central real estate. I did the sums on this one. It costs roughly the same to rent as it does to own. It's a no-brainer, right? I know good real estate when I see it. Let's take a look around. Airport's about 12 minutes away, St. Luke's is about 12 minutes away, and Westfield and Newmarket, and my friend Ben's house, but you don't know him. There's no pesky auction for you to complain about on Reddit on this one. Just make an offer, it could be yours. We'll see you at the weekend.